3, 2, 1, start. The present appeal arises out of the judgment and order dated 10/1/2013 passed by the Additional District Judge, Court number 4, Kanpur Nagar, in Sessions Trial number 823 of 2005, State of UP versus Ashish Kumar, whereby the appellant Ashish Kumar has been convicted and sentenced under section 302 IPC to life imprisonment, a fine of rupees 10,000, and in default of payment of fine to 2 months rigorous imprisonment under section 364A IPC to life imprisonment, a fine of rupees 10,000, and in default of payment of fine to 2 months rigorous imprisonment, and under section 201 IPC to 7 years rigorous imprisonment, a fine of rupees 3,000, and in default of payment of fine to 1 month rigorous imprisonment. Stop. The sentences have been ordered to run concurrently. Para. The trial court, while passing the judgment impugned herein, has directed that the period of incarceration of the accused will be set off against the sentence of imprisonment. Para. At the first instance, an application dated 17/3/2005 was moved by Hari Ram, son of Narottam Ram, before the station house officer, Police Station Chakeri, District Kanpur Nagar, to the effect that his son Alok Kumar, aged about 21 years, went to give his exam at DVS College on a cycle on 15/3/2005 at 5:30 am, but has not returned. Stop. His physical appearance was given in the said application, and it was requested that appropriate action be taken. Stop. The said application about the disappearance of Alok Kumar was recorded in GD number 54 dated 17/3/2005, transcribed at 19:30 hours at the said police station. Stop. The same is marked as Exhibit KA K1 to the records. Stop. Para. Thereafter, an application was given by Hari Ram at the police station Chakeri on 30/5/2005, informing that he has received calls on his mobile 3 times, on which threat has been extended to him, and on inquiry it transpires that one of the numbers from which call was received is of a PCO, and he stated that he has a suspicion that his son Alok Kumar may be murdered by the kidnappers, and appropriate action be taken as soon as possible. Stop. The same was recorded in GD number 41 dated 30/5/2005, transcribed at 17 hours, which is marked as Exhibit K8 to the records. Para. Subsequently, on an oral information given by Hari Ram, a first information report was lodged, which was registered as case crime number 413 of 2005 under sections 364, 504 IPC, Police Station Chakeri, District Kanpur Nagar, on 30/5/2005. Stop. The case was subsequently converted from section 364 IPC to section 364A IPC, and later on, after the recovery of the remains of a human body, the same was converted into a case under section 364A 302 201 IPC. Para. The first informant handed over a packet to the investigating officer on 31/5/2005, while stating that the said gift packet contains the t-shirt of his son Alok Kumar, which he was wearing when he left the house. The same was taken by the investigating officer, and a recovery memo dated 31/5/2005 was prepared, which is marked as Exhibit K3 to the records. Para. At the same time, on 31/5/2005, the first informant Hari Ram gave a letter to the investigating officer, by which a ransom of rupees 3 lakh was alleged to be demanded for releasing his son. Stop. The said letter was dated 18/5/2005 and was received in the office of Hari Ram, which was sent by post. Stop. A recovery memo of the same was prepared on 31/5/2005, which is marked as Exhibit K4 to the records. Para. Further, on the same day, the first informant Hari Ram also gave a chit to the investigating officer, which was pasted on the gift packet in which T-shirt was wrapped. Stop. The said chit was taken into custody by the investigating officer and a recovery memo to the same was prepared, which is marked as Exhibit K5 to the records. Para. Subsequently, a skeleton was recovered on 1/6/2005 on the pointing out of the appellant. Stop. A recovery memo of the same was prepared on 1/6/2005, which is marked as Exhibit K6 to the records. Para. A tape recorder was also recovered, which was manufactured by Panasonic and was in a running condition, which had a cassette in it in which it is said that there was some recording in the voice of deceased Alok Kumar. Stop. The said tape recorder is also said to be recovered on the pointing out of the appellant. Stop. The recovery memo to the same is Exhibit K16 to the records. Para. Further, a cycle is said to have been recovered by the investigating officer from the cycle stand of station Govindpuri, Kanpur Nagar. Stop. The recovery memo of the same was prepared on 1/6/2005, which is marked as Exhibit K17 to the records. Para. The skeleton was subjected to the post-mortem examination. Stop. The doctor conducted the post-mortem examination. Stop. While stating about the condition of the same as stated as follows. Stop.